What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my 10-part series on how to make an exercise more challenging. Today I want to talk about points of stability. So when you think about points of stability, if we look at a standing position, I have 2 points of stability on my left and right foot. Now if I take 1 foot away, I now have 1 point of stability that I got to balance on. Now, in terms of an exercise context, a way we can kind of play around with things is if we get into a plank position, we'll go into a high plank here. Now if we want to increase the difficulty of this position, we can just remove 1 point of stability. So I'm going to remove my hand, place it right out. So I have 3 points of stability, and I can already feel my core firing. If we want to make it even more difficult, we can remove the right leg, and we're down to 2 points of stability. Much more difficult because we're stabilizing on 2 points, the right hand and the left foot. So that's one way to think about progressing exercises without maybe increasing the load, is we can remove points of stability. And that's going to create a greater challenge for the exercise. So maybe you're in a plank position, you're doing a prone bridge arm march, where you're challenging your rotary stability, or maybe it's doing a TRX row where you have 1 leg you're balancing on. So those are a couple examples in one way or another way to play around with exercise progressions and regressions.